Hello, I'm Deborah and Kemchiko. Welcome to my channel. So today we'll be trying something interesting. First, what's your favorite natural gel and why is it your favorite? We'll be finding out soon based off of 13 criteria. Stay tuned. The first criterion is hydration. We are going to see the level of hydration okra has over my natural hair. It took a fair amount of time for my hair to get hydrated. Here is the almighty aloe vera gel. Yes, I was excited about trying aloe vera gel, but I got disappointed because why did the gel convert to water? If you've experienced this, let me know. However, I still got some level of hydration. For some reasons, I experienced more hydration with flaxseed gel. My cuticles were just hungry for more. In terms of color definition, okra gel tried. Like, it's giving, don't you think? I didn't get much definition from aloe vera, maybe because the gel turned watery. But my hair was so soft. See the crazy definition flaxseed gel gave me. What natural hair gel can beat this? I'm still in awe till this day. You can get okra, aloe vera and flaxseed gel in your local market. However, okra is much easier to find. I got over 8 pieces of okra for 200 naira in my local market. I got some aloe vera for 1000 naira with abego. And I got half a teacup of flax seeds for 500 naira. The level of sleep I experienced with okra was expected, not bad at all. Not bad at all. It did its job. I struggled a little with the aloe vera because it was just so watery, there was no hold, there was no slime. But with the flaxseed gel, I was on another dimension. Everything was just going so smoothly. A little went a long way. You can preserve your natural gel by freezing it. You can also add antioxidants like vitamin C or vitamin E. Okra gel is very easy to make, no heat, just pour water on diced okra and cover it and you have your gel. Aloe vera is quite stressful to make, but you'd enjoy the process if you put your heart to it. Just avoid the yellow fluid, avoid the spikes, and don't cut yourself. Flaxseed gel is easy to make, except that you may have to use heat. Just put some seeds in a pot of boiling water, allow it simmer. When it cools down, you sieve it and your gel is ready. Yay! It is important to note that okra, aloe vera and flaxseed gels have nutritional benefits to our body. It is fruitless to choose one over the other. It's amazing how 200 naira okra gave me 3 bottles of okra gel. 1000 naira aloe vera gave me half a bottle of aloe vera gel. Crazy, right? While 500 naira flaxseed gave me a teacup of flaxseed gel. I was able to extract gel twice from a set of okra. The aloe vera pulp can only produce gel once, while the flax seeds can produce gel as much times as possible. I love what the okra did to my hair. It kept my hair so hydrated that the bounce and elasticity was top notch. The aloe vera gave my hair a good stretch, but my hair didn't feel as full and hydrated as the okra. No much bounce. The flaxseed gel did an exceptional job. See that length. See the thickness and bounce. The okra helped me take out my shed hair. It's 1 month worth of shed hair. With the aloe vera, I had to put more effort in taking out my shed hair. Flaxseed gel made the work so easy for me. This shed hair is worth 3 months. I've had no allergic reaction using okra gel, aloe vera gel or flaxseed gel. Make sure you do a patch test before applying any DIY in your hair. Thank you. This test is based on my personal experience. Which natural gel do you think won and what is the score? Let us know in the comment section. And based on your personal experience, What is your favorite natural gel? I'd love to know.